Today, we will be repairing a PS5 with a malfunctioning Blu-ray laser that was booked for service. The console reads discs but does not play Blu-rays properly. First, we'll remove the side cover to inspect the laser. Once the back cover is off, we'll likely find the console blocked by dirt and dust, which we'll start by thoroughly cleaning out. After inspecting the inside of the disk drive, we confirmed that there is no physical damage and all parts are in good condition. However, testing revealed that the Blu-ray laser is not functioning correctly, while the disk drive light is working properly. Unfortunately, the Blu-ray laser cannot be repaired and needs to be replaced.
Perfect, it's working.
After replacing the laser, you can see the Blu-ray scanning properly. Our repair has been successfully completed. Thank you for watching this video.